The build starts now. So the very first thing that I must do is replace this thing. This is an old trailer jack that's missing its handle, which means that it's useless basically. So I can't use this thing to raise the trailer or lower it, which is a huge pain in the butt because it's very hard to attach it to my car in this matter. And so what I've been doing is I've been jacking it up in kind of a ghetto fashion and then backing my car up, hitching it up. This system's a little bit dangerous. I don't trust it. So the very first step of this build is to cut that part out and replace it with a brand new trailer jack. Now, unfortunately, I don't know how to weld, so I'm gonna outsource this part. And I inquired about filming how that's done. However, the company was not receptive, so I deeply respect that. If you don't want to be on camera, you won't be. So I'm gonna do it this way. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And just like that, I have a brand new trailer hitch. This thing makes life so much easier. Now, because I have a crank handle, my trailer can easily be raised and lowered, which means that I can mount it to the car, I could mount it to the trailer dolly, and no more of that funny business with a car jack. This is much safer. The guys that did the job did an absolutely fantastic job. Not only did they give me a brand new hitch jack that works perfectly, but they also enabled me to remove it. So in the future, if I ever damage this thing, instead of having to hire somebody else to cut it off with an acetylene torch or however they did it, I just unscrew 3 screws and I put a new jack in and life resumes without a hitch. Get it? Without a hitch.